Everyone, hit the 4 color blocks. If the 4 color blocks, there's a color that is the case. We're all looking forward to it. 3 colors are fine now. It's red. Lines appear. There's a problem with the rotation of this developing bin. It's straightforward to determine that it's the developer bin. There's nothing else to do in this case but to replace it. We'll start tearing it down now. There's a screw that needs to come out. We haven't turned it off yet. Removing the screws. What happens when you take this on? You can see the problem with it. Case like this one. We've got a new developer bin. That's a beautiful looking developer bin. Let's see if we can fix this. This is after changing the developer bin. Print out the results. You've already solved the problem with the stripes. It's a beautiful color. Don't spend money on other accessories. Find the real cause and fix it. You don't have to waste it.